Hey everyone, in today's video we're diving into Moveworks, an AI-powered co-pilot designed to streamline your workday. Feeling bogged down by repetitive tasks or struggling to find the information you need? Moveworks can help. Imagine having a super-powered search engine readily available within your existing business systems. Moveworks integrates seamlessly, so you can ask questions in plain English and get the answers you need to move forward. Need to reset your password or troubleshoot a glitch? Moveworks can guide you through the process, automate steps, and even unearth solutions from a vast knowledge base. But Moveworks goes beyond information retrieval. It empowers you to take action. Can't remember how to update your security settings? Moveworks can automate the task for you. Stuck on a complex workflow? Moveworks can break it down and guide you through each step. Moveworks is like having a knowledgeable assistant by your side, ready to answer your questions and lend a hand. It empowers employees to be more self-sufficient, freeing up teams to focus on strategic initiatives. This is just a brief look at what Moveworks can do. If you're interested in learning more about how AI can transform your workday, be sure to check out the links in the description below. Also, don't forget to visit our website at insert website address here, where we have collected thousands of services that use artificial intelligence, including alternatives to Moveworks. So you can find the perfect AI assistant to fit your needs.